Alrighty, mga kaugoy! It is I, Manong Jaire.
And he is here today with the dynamic traveler!
Back at it again, here at Friday night, Alak tutorials, mga kaugoy. Ang ihalo natin ngayon is pink tide.
Wow!
Dang!
Tide!
Pero originally, red tide dapat to. Kaso, hindi ako nakabili ng Gatorade red. Wala akong makitang Gatorade red. Kaya, ang nakita ko na lang is, teka, nasa na yung hat ko. Kaya siya naging pink tide dahil dito. C2 Cool and Clean Solo Peach Black Tea.
Hold the phone. The packaging is pink, but the drink itself is not.
Mukha siyang pink kanina sa araw.
Sa araw! Do you see a fucking sun around here?
2 parts. In other words, parang 2 ounce or whatever. Basta yun
2
yung
packs.
2 packs.
Two
Daming rapper 2 packs. 2 packs. Grabe na may rapper yun. Lakas yun. Mas malakas kay 2 packs. Rest in peace, yo. 4 parts to.
Wala ata akong kausap dito na lang ako.
Kay Janzina, sige. You can't see me! 5 parts ng, paano man to? Nakalimutan ko ano to eh. 4 seasons tang, okay? Game. 5 parts of tang!
Ano akong barista mo? Salitan tayo! Walang in between row.
Relevant pa pala yung si Rem doon. Yellow, mga kaugoy! Para?
Kasi! Kakatayo ko lang eh!
Kalahati ng mga baso is Sprite, mga kaunggoy. So, ang gagawin natin, kalahati na ng baso, Sprite, yan, kalahati, and then, we are live, mga kaunggoy!
And God said,
Let there be ice! Okay, so lalagyan like that.
Wow, nagkasya, ang laki!
Oo, di ba?
Oh my gosh, it's overflowing. Wow. Ah!
Yeah, that made... Uy, baka bumagsak tong buong table na. O yan, triangle.
We need it cold!
Sabi mo eh.
You need to serve it cold!
Shake thoroughly! Salamat, Kirisama.
Ano?
Mukha ka talagang bulag din sa shakes mo. Alam mo yung PWD na
PWD naman talaga ako.
Ay, oo nga, no. Guys, comment down below kung PWD kayo.
Anong disability mo? baka may maglagay dyan disability, walang kamay.
Paano sila nakatype?
Pati hindi pa pinalagay ang disability, bingi.
Gugulat ako doon, like, ano,
Baka
nag-comment.
disability niya, bulag din ako, boss.
Wala po akong kamay, pero nakapag-comment.
Mali mo, ginamit yung paa niya. Mahirap yan pag wala rin ng paa.
No arms, no legs.
Head empty. Hindi ko naman ito ngayon. Nagkakamalan akong laseng. Oh, I like the color.
You like it? O, di ba pink? Ayun na, pink ko.
No, it's not.
Sabi niya, she likes the color. Kailangan natin color sa...
It's not entirely pink. It's more of like a salmon color.
Salmon.
May pagka-orange nga siya eh.
Uy, ginger. Dang ginger.
Bring out the ginger!
Taste! Taste!
Kulang sa Sprite!
Kulang.
This would have been better if we had extra fucking Sprite. S-P-R-I-T-E.
S-P-R-I-E-T-E.
Ano?
Okay, kindly explain to the people.
There's people over there. Are you seeing what I'm not seeing?
Ay, putang ina, may nakalimutan tayo sa recipe. Alam mo ano? Lemon! Putang ina, nakalimutan. Sabi ko kanina, may
Oh my gosh, you're not listening to my told!
Sabi ko kanina, may nakakalimutan ako Ito yung nakalimutan.
Nakaganon lang ako.
Puta. Yan.
Ang dami natin bloopers. Okay. No, I want the bigger one. Kasi it's like may you be gentle with it. And then, ikot-ikot nyo para equality.
So, lagay din natin natitira dito. No?
Actually, babalik natin sila.
Okay, so kompleto.
Okay na yan.
Ito lang, lagay ko din. Hindi ko makuha.
Bakit hindi? No, the ice. Ew. Much better.
Oh! Ano lasa niya?
Kulang pa rin sa Sprite.
Kulang
Pero
sa Sprite, yes.
It's an improvement.
Dang improvement. Okay. Rating time, ikaw naman.
Ano gagawin ko?
Rating.
Rating. For me, I would rate this as 3 stars. Narinig ba yun?
Bakit?
3 stars because, first of all, hindi madaling makuha yung tamang timpla ng lasa niya pag kulang ka ng ingredients.
Oh,
Who's
yeah.
to say, dalawa lang kayong iinom.
Oh.
Diba? Kami pa nga ng dalawa pa lang kami nahirapan kami kunin yung tamang timpla kung gano'ng karaming ingredients na ilalagay mo. So, I don't really recommend this unless na-perfect na namin. Maybe in a future episode, pag i-recreate. I-recreate namin siya. Ayun nga, tapos, although in terms of ingredients, madali lang siyang i-acquire. Pero I don't think madaling mahanap itong specific sito na to. Because I even don't like pink. Who likes pink?
Nasa Save More lang yun nakikita.
Does everyone have the luxury to go there?
Pure gold din.
Ano yung mga taga-Mindanao?
Meron din pure gold at Save More sa Mindanao. Ano akala mo ang Mindanao? Ibang planeta?
Ano yung mga nasa Japan?
Yung nahanap sila Shonshuaila store nila.
Ano yung mga nasa China?
Ching Chong 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 store.
Basta yun, I don't think it's easy to find kasi personally hindi ko siya lagi nahanap sa usual stores, okay? So, for me, what a good list of ingredients are, yung kahit saan ka magpunta, there's a 50% chance of finding it. This one, I feel is like 20 to 30%.
Yeah.
Diba? You really have to go to a city or at the epicenter of something to find it. Ganun. Epicenter, wow!
Epicenter.
Paano sa Middle East? May makikita ba sila ganito?
Hindi, wala. Sabog yung mga stores dun
Wow!
Yeah.
I really don't recommend this drink.
Bakit?
Although if you're the type who likes to experiment, like bili ka ng maraming ounces of each ingredient, tapos mag-mix ka, onti-onti lang hanggang sa makuha mo yung timpla na gusto mo, then go the fuck for it. I don't care. It's your money. You drink it.
2 out of 5 para sa akin yung rating ko. Yan nga.
Tsaka hindi ko siya ma-recommend to, I don't know when ma-upload yung isang mix, yung blueberry, yung universe. Ayun. I like it better actually, yung universe. Kasi unlike yon, pwede ko pang ma-recommend to a specific situation or a specific gathering for friends. Particularly for female, kasi it's more of a ladies drink for me. Ganun yung flavor niya and yung style niya. Pwede siyang maging punch for parties or sleepovers or something na for chill gathering lang. Ganun. Like maybe you have a bonfire, tapos magsasanggip kayo dyan, homemade, tapos may alak kayo. Go! It's gonna be good, bitch.
Parang very specific yung yung setting Okay, mga kaunggoy. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jared
Ulit!
said.
I don't like that. Ulit.
And that's the bottom line because Manong Jared said so.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click that join button!
#sorry liver. Nakalimutan ko sabihin yun sa previous episode.
By the way, babalik ba natin si Rick G?
#drink responsibly. #bring back Rick G!
Insert! Rick G, nasan ka na?
Rick G, nasa ka na?
It's Filthy Frank, motherfucker! It's Filthy Frank, bitch!
Let's get some pussy tonight.